In the heart of Manila town, where the streets come alive, colors blend and dance around. In this city we thrive. Feel the energy in the air, the rhythm so profound. Hope and dreams everywhere in the echoes of sound. Cultural fusion flowing free, history on display. City proud, vibrant unity, here we find our way. Iconic skyline reaching high, majestic with spirit soaring wide. In this place our hopes align, the pulse of Manila, our guiding light. By the bay where the waters meet, stories old as time. Tradition and progress, greeting seamless, sublime. Resilient spirits never fade, bayani on the soul. Legacy that we've all made in its rich, vibrant role. Coastal energy in the breeze, whispers of our song. Together enduring with ease, where we all belong. Iconic skyline reaching high, majestic with spirit soaring wide. In this place our hopes align, the pulse of Manila, our guide light. From the past